Welcome to my Thru the Mail box break 2 part 3. Let's open this, see what we got. Dave Robertson, Kevin Gosman, Garcia, Tanner Shepard, Luke Whichever, Jake Mersnick, Brett Bochy, Little Bochy, Bruce Bochy's son, Brandon McCarthy, Francis Loreno, Devon Travis, Stephen Sosa Jr., Larry Garcia, Simmons, fuck the Dodgers, Grant Belfour, Lars, Micah Johnson, John Lackey, Freddie Freeman, Reggie Jackson from the Yankees. He also played for the A's. Sabathia, CC Sabathia, Vallejo native. Vallejo's a city not too far from where I grew up. Alex Gordon, Mike Trout, Jake Diekman, TJ House, Joaquin Benoit, Brandon Barnes, AJ Griffin, Christian Betancourt, Nick Swisher, AJ Burnett, Justin Monroe, Cameron Maben, Alfredo Simmons, Nelson Cruz, and another Houston streak. Now it's on to the NFL. This is Panini The Score 12 for rookies and signatures. Peyton Manning, Andrew Luck, Nick Foles. These are actually cool cards. Jacob Jones, Alex Smith. I missed this guy from the 49ers. Ryan Matthews, Cecil Short, Antonio Holmes. Oh, sweet. Russell Wilson uniform fabric. That's cool. Fuck that guy. Sean Renfree, Reggie Wayne, and Randall Cobbs. So the next NFL is 2013 USA Football. Hopefully I'll get something cool in here. Johnny Thomas, Enrique Brown, lots of people, no Niners, but Mitch, Lockbiller, USA Football, so these are all pretty cool. Only 5 cards, just 5. Yeah, 5 cards per pack.